Getting error code 0X80070422 on Windows 11. This issue stops updates and other services from running properly. Press the Windows button, type Services, and open it. Scroll down and find Windows Update near the bottom. Double-click it and set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. If it's running, click Restart. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Press the Windows button, type Control Panel, and open it. Set View By to Category, then click View Network Status and Tasks. Click on your active network connection, then select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, and uncheck it. Click OK, restart your PC, and check if the problem persists. Press the Windows button, open Settings, and go to System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Click Run next to Windows Update. Wait for Windows to detect and fix issues, then restart your PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.